about to start the cooking rice, guys. Look at our
Then we will make it. Today we make 4 dishes. So where's some ingredients today? Please open the place. Please open it. First of all, we have this one is pork and shrimp for the spring roll.
Ah, okay.
The second we use chicken salad.
So this is pork and
And the
shrimp.
green beans, carrots, onions together. And the last one. Do you know catfish? Yellow-tailed catfish?
Yes.
This one is similar with catfish. We call this one the basa fish. The basa fish in the middle. That's a belly button, just like a chili. When we eat that one, with some seasoning together. The yellow one here, we call this one the king of flavor. It's not a machine. This one is the chicken powder or chicken sauce. When you smell it, it tastes like a cheese and a little bit salty. One sugar. Peppers, hoi an chilies, with ketchup sauce. When we see the sauce, we need to see inside, we don't see the bottom. So inside that the dark one is mint soya, the last one is mint fish sauce, oil, head of spring onion, garlic, ginger, and tomato together. And now on the table, 2 people, we use one plate like this to cut something. First we do with the spring onion here. You can share half and half. After that, use a knife. Everyone cut it small like that one. When you cut it down, we put this one in each one on the table. So we put some in your spring roll, your salad, and in the big one. And everyone, let's do it. Sharing is half and half. Okay. Spring onion, we put it
Garlic.
on the table again, please. Fresh chicken
So
and nice
after the spring roll, next is garlic.
fresh chicken, then that's when we call it. We can go first. We use the knife.
So this is so far our output, guys.
Just cut it 90% like that one. Soak it here. And now, moving the knife a little bit more. Soak it again. Then we lift it like up. Turn your knife or your tomato one side left or right. Angle the knife one side like that. So when you soak it here, lift it like high. Turn one side left or right. Follow in this way. Turn it around to peel the skin. Turn around like this, like a circle. To peel the skin, everyone. Turn around. Like that.
You're doing
Turn it straight. Need to show to make the flour. Not yet, honey. Wait a moment. Everyone, turn it like that. And you can see, when we cut it pink. We don't cut it thick. So if you cut it thick, it's not beautiful, everyone. And be careful with your finger. I want to see the flour. I don't want to see your blood today, everyone. Turn around like that. And the bottom. Everyone, roll up like that by your hands. When it's near with the head, we need to put them same way. So when you stop it here, put it on.
Wow, so good.
So easy, right, everyone. Piece of cake. And now,
It's like
good luck,
a roast.
everyone. Just turn that. And now you can try again, please.
Oh no.
Use your spoon. You put 1 spoon in the big one, half spoon in the middle, and half spoon in the last one with the chicken powder. Everyone, you can smell it or try it first. 2 people, we give 1 tray. 1 in the big one, half in the middle, and half in the last one, please. 3
One in the big one, half in the middle.
The first one here for your spring rolls. We don't put sugar in it because if you put sugar and fry it, it's burnt quickly. That's why remember when we deep fry something, we don't use sugar. You just spoon here. We put sugar 1 spoon in the big one and half spoon in the chicken, like the middle one. 1/2 zero with sugar, please. 1 in the big, half in the middle. Nothing in the last. On the table.
So we are almost done, guys, in the preparation. So the next step is cooking.
The handle here, you jump in the middle. If you put like that, it's for your pan and burn your hand when you hold it. So 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. Handle on the corner. You will seal like that. It's not for your pan, everyone. Can you just squeeze the handle? Squeeze the handle, everyone. Put back in the same bowl later. We will put it 1 more time. So, why you like the chocolate? When you see the change the color, back in the bowl, everyone.
Back in the bowl. Yeah, lovely.
Like this to make spring roll. In Vietnam, we call this one the bánh rế.
Banh rế.
When we use bánh rế to make spring roll, it's more crispy, not in your mouth. but it has gluten inside. It's not just spaghetti because it's gluten free. So we have 4 battery and 1 paper. Today we join with paper. We put paper one side. Take 1 battery like this. The curved side here, we fold in a half. But when you fold it, keep a little bit big. You wanna do together, everyone? Why not?
We are almost done, guys. This one is done. The spring roll is almost over, and the last is that fish.
If it's something else, you want to try with the finger.
You like put it in it.
Now,
And we are almost done, guys.
remember your flour, everyone.
This is the last.
Can you bring it to the table here, please? Okay. Yes, bring it when you make it. Yeah, this is black one. So keep your.
Next thing is you mix this one with there, just like what you're doing. Wow, amazing.
You know, sometimes like your own thing.
This is our finished product, guys. And also with that one.
This one is the local clams, the mắc clams we create for just for something quick. Make rice pancake. In Vietnam we call it bánh xẹp. Bánh is mean pancake and xẹp means the dessert when you put rice with the salad. It means xẹp Vietnam. You know bánh xẹp popular in Vietnam.
So this is the finished product, guys.
With yellow color or the small one with white color. Today we make medium size with yellow color. Medium long with powder of curcuma. Can I? Yeah. Be careful, let me pull more.
So this is what it looks like, guys.
Yeah, okay. And now your turn. Let me play. Are you okay?
It's not yet flipped. It returned. Oh, yes. Success.
Up and down. There. Higher, higher. Up, down. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Everyone, 20 seconds. Ready? Keep like that. Everyone, 20 seconds and flip. Don't need to do it. And remember, never do it at home. It's burn your house, you leave the house, everyone. So when we make fire, we need to wait for the oil hot. When you see smoke come up like that, this means good enough. Hold the bed handle, shake it, pour water in, and then fire on. But depend on the wind. When you see smoke come up, it's come your face. It's burn your face. I don't want it burned today. So we have to wait chance, smiling to make more room. Everyone, are you ready to say fire? Shake it like this. You can see smoke come up like this. Smiling, pour water. Longer and bigger. If you don't want, you can make a little bit more. Fire will be smaller. It will be off. But you want to go in the corner, keep smiling, do water, and fire on like that. It's so cool, right? Everyone, you want to try?
No.
Do it?
No. This is the behind the scene, guys. They're so busy washing all the plates and the pot. And this is an example of a Japanese, I mean Vietnamese home. This is the finished product of our pancake, guys. Then they are eating it already. This is the last food, guys. The fish. And then the rice.